Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone.